Good morning and salutations, y'all. Today we got a Zildjian A custom 20-inch ping ride, and as you can tell right here, we got some serious crack damage going on around the body of the cymbal. So repair that. We're gonna give it a little ozone kind of a ovo effect right there. But before we do, let's give a little sound test. Alright, don't sound too bad, but we don't want that crank in the cymbal whatsoever. Let's fix this baby up. Alright, y'all, we're back with the Zildjian A custom ping ride 20-inch. And as you can tell, the crack area has been repaired. It's now as smooth as butter on the inside. But I bet you're wondering, what does it sound like? No. So let's give it a little sound test.